Imagine a vehicle that looks like it could climb a mountain straight out of the screen, yet still feels perfectly at home, pulling up to a 5-star hotel. That's the 2026 Land Rover Defender, a modern legend that blends unstoppable off-road ability with everyday comfort and cutting-edge technology. From the very first glance, the Defender doesn't try to be subtle. Its boxy, upright stance is intentional, a tribute to the original Defender, while clearly showing this is a thoroughly modern machine. The short overhangs, wide track, and high ground clearance immediately tell you this SUV is built for serious terrain. Its front carries Land Rover's signature grille with refined detailing, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a tough but premium expression. Around the sides, the flat panels, exposed bolts, and functional design cues aren't just for looks, they add strength and durability. At the rear, the side hinge tailgate with the externally mounted spare wheel reinforces that classic Defender DNA, while modern LED lighting keeps it fresh and contemporary. Step inside, and the contrast is impressive. The 2026 Defender cabin feels rugged, yet refined, like a luxury expedition vehicle. Materials are chosen to be durable, but upscale, with rubberized surfaces where you need toughness and soft touch trims where comfort matters. The driving position is high and commanding, giving you excellent visibility in traffic or on the trail. The dashboard design is clean and functional, centered around a large curved touchscreen running the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system. It's faster, sharper, and more intuitive than ever, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and advanced navigation that even helps with off-road routes. Digital driver displays, a head-up display, premium Meridian audio, and multiple USB-C ports make the Defender feel just as tech-forward as any luxury SUV. Under the hood, the 2026 Defender offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving styles, from efficient, turbocharged 4-cylinder engines to powerful inline-6 options, and even high-performance V8 variants in select trims. There's no shortage of muscle. Power delivery is smooth and confident, whether you're cruising on the highway or crawling over rocks. The mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options add efficiency and extra torque at low speeds, just perfect for off-road driving. Acceleration is surprisingly quick for such a solid, heavy-duty vehicle, and on the road, it feels stable, planted, and far more comfortable than you might expect. Where the Defender truly earns its reputation is off the road. This is where it separates itself from most luxury SUVs with a robust aluminum monocoque chassis, advanced all-wheel drive, locking differentials, and adjustable air suspension. The Defender can handle mud, sand, snow, rocks, and deep water with confidence. The terrain response system allows you to select different driving modes, automatically adjusting throttle response, suspension height, traction control, and steering to suit the surface beneath you. Features like hill descent control, low range, gearing, and impressive approach departure and breakover angles make extreme terrain feel manageable even for less experienced drivers. Simply put, this is one of the most capable factory-built off-road vehicles you can buy. Despite all that toughness, the 2026 Defender doesn't forget about daily usability. On the road, the ride is surprisingly smooth, especially with air suspension. Steering is precise, body roll is well controlled, and long journeys are comfortable and quiet. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and emergency braking add confidence and safety in everyday driving. Practicality is another strong point, with flexible seating configurations, generous cargo space, and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin. Whether you're carrying family, gear, or both, the Defender adapts easily. What makes the 2026 Land Rover Defender truly unique is how it balances extremes. It's a vehicle that can survive the harshest environments on Earth, yet still deliver luxury, technology, and comfort that rivals premium SUVs. It's not trying to be sporty like a performance SUV or soft like a city cruiser. It's proudly authentic, built for adventure, durability, and character. For buyers who want a vehicle that looks bold, feels special, and can genuinely go anywhere. The Defender isn't just an option, it's the benchmark.